Hey guys, today I got my new SSD in the mail today, so let's unbox it and set it up. Here it is, the PNY CS900. Okay, we're in. Let's get to the fun and most exciting part of the video, which you probably skipped to, the actual installation. After a long and confusing 10 to 15 minutes, finally got it installed. Now let's put it back together and see if we could actually install macOS back onto this baby. Okay guys, moment of truth. Will it actually show up on Internet Recovery? I really hope it does, because if it does not show up on Internet Recovery, that means I have to replace the HDD flux cable. You can actually notice right here that I accidentally broke the light right here that's supposed to light up when it's on and off, so oops. And now, this is the part I've been waiting for, and you guys too. Let's see if it actually shows up. If it doesn't show up, that means the hard drive cable needs to be replaced. No, it doesn't need to be replaced. Yes! So guys, we're going to proceed and install the last supported OS this MacBook came with. I will update you guys in a bit when this installs.